back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, I will cook our dinner. Ay lunch pala. By Dinnerly. So disclaimer, this is not a sponsor guys. So today, I will cook a sweet chili pork stir fry guys. Here. Sweet chili pork stir fry with steamed rice and spring onion. So here is my ingredients. Here is the pork stir fry strips. We have a spring onions here. Onion, capsicum, green capsicum, and the sweet chili sauce guys, plus a ginger, soy sauce, vegetable oil, and white vinegar. So of course we have a brown jasmine rice here. So this is a microwave rice guys. Ayan. So this is a steam already, and then we need a microwave because I don't want to cook a rice pa. So this is instant microwavable rice for 90 seconds. So ayan guys, ayan yung ating mga steps. We have 5 steps here. So first we cook the rice. Second is prep ingredients which is the tiny slice the capsicum, peel the carrots, spring onion, garlic, sweet chili sauce, and then the stir fry pork. Fourth is stir fry veggies, and last but not the least is serve up. So guys, what are we waiting for? Happy watching! Okay guys, so now we are going to cut so here, we need to cut our ingredients, the capsicum guys. So here, this is the capsicum. So we need to wash it. You need to take it out. So said that thin cut the capsicum. Okay, right. Put here. So after we put that one guys, we will slice the onion spring. We need to put here, set aside the capsicum here. So after we cut the onion spring guys, the carrots, we don't have capsicum. We crush the 2 garlic cloves. Since I don't have the garlic cloves, I have the garlic paste here guys. So that will be fine. And combine the sweet chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Said that we will put the 2 garlic. So we will put 2 teaspoons guys. And then we put the sweet chili sauce. Combine. And then after combine guys, the sweet chili sauce, put the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So we have this one, the soy sauce. Very light soy sauce. Okay. So after that guys, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Tomato sauce guys. Ayan, ito pala, hindi ko napakita. Tomato sauce. Ayan. Tomato sauce. So, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. So, ito yung white vinegar natin, guys. Ayan. White vinegar. So, now we are going to stir fry the pork strip. I will open these ones. Open the pork strip, and then add the garlic. So add the garlic. add the garlic, guys. So after 2 teaspoon, guys, puput natin ng 2 teaspoon of medium oil. So we will get this one. We'll get this one again. And then we will fry. So ayan, 2 teaspoon, guys. 2 teaspoon of olive oil. Ayan, 2 teaspoon of olive oil. And then, after, guys, we will put the capsicum. So, on the other pan, in the other pan, we will cook the vegetable naman. So, we need to put a 2 teaspoon again of vegetable oil. So, we don't have carrots. Guys, spring onion, white part, and then so I have two stove here. This one, the one we stir fry, and the vegetable stir fry. So we don't have carrots because the carrots is very ugly now. Medyo sira na yung carrots. Medyo malambot na siya. Hindi na siya magandang lutuin. So, after the tubig, guys, we will add the pork and so, after this one, we will add pork pala to, guys. Pork. Okay, while we are waiting, guys, we are going to do this. So, this one, it's 19 minutes. So, ayan. 19 minutes. We need to open it like this, and then we wait for 19 minutes. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Tapos, tataas siya dito sa ating microwave. So, ayan. Tapos, 90 seconds lang siya. So, now, guys, ayan, we are waiting. And then, while we're waiting, we need to plating. We're going to plating. Ayan ulit. And then, after nyan, guys, ilalagay na natin yung, yung sauce natin kanina. Ayan, sauce. Okay, guys, ayan na siya, diba? Beautiful na. So, now, we just unlock yan. Set for a while. Ayan. The rice over here. And then, we will do plating, guys. Ayan, plating. So, we have the rice here, guys. Ayan, brown rice. We need to open our brown rice, guys. And half lang para so of course dapat madami kay Jax. That's it, guys. That's my cooking show. So I cooked sweet chili pork stir fry for today's video, guys. By Dinnerly, disclaimer, this is not a sponsor, guys. So that's the end of our video for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching and you had fun today. Thank you very much for watching, and mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. THAILAND, please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video pa, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah, ciao.